Hello, this is the FASCO Charleston from Raleigh that I brought back. I replaced it with the Hampton Bay because I wanted to keep this one for myself. And I don't have the canopy or the J-hook mount because due to the mounting that was there, I had to use the old mount, the old J-hook mount on the Hampton Bay. But, it had a light kit on it. I removed it because it wasn't in that great shape. But, I'm going to turn this fan on for you. It's a stack motor fan, by the way. It has an aesthetic low speed. This fan moves a ton of air. And here's reverse. Okay, well, that's all, so bye.